Okay, this is the Vestax PDX2000 I purchased on eBay. I'm running Scratch Live. I'm going to use the readout here to show the pitch adjustment reaction. Okay, so this is presently it's off. See, no lights. So I can turn it on. So now I have lights at 33, quartz lock on, everything set to 0. Needle on the record, tone control record, start the turntable, and I get a nice solid 0 with quartz lock on. Okay, now I'm going to turn quartz lock off. Getting a slight fluctuation, but that's acceptable. 0. Everything's still set at 0. Now I'm going to slide the pitch control to -2. And here you can see it's gradually slowing down. It's in position 2. So all the way down to 8, 9. It's gradually going down. 9.2, 9.3. That's in position 2 with the ultra pitch set at 0. Now if I slide I'm going to slide it down to 7. And now we're all the way up to 27, 28, 29. And it's a gradual descent. It's not an instant or a quick descent. It's a gradual slow down. So you can see the turntables spinning very slowly. We're down to 31.1%. Everything's still ultra pitches at 0. Pitch sliders at 7. Pitch sliders now all the way -10. So you can see the turntable's moving very slowly. And it's now reading a 35.9. Okay, now I'm going to put it back to 0 and watch as it gradually goes back to 0. It's not a quick back to 0, but it will get there and it will stay at 0. Still at 0. And there it is at the acceptable 0, -0.1, which is fine. I understand it's not perfect, but it's still not acceptable the way it changes at a slow pace. Now I'm going to go to +2 on the pitch slider, and that's only giving me a 0.9. It won't go over 0.9. I'm going to move the pitch slider to about a 5 or 6, 5, no 6. And now it's giving me, actually now it's acting erratic and going up past the 10% that it's supposed to be. Max, I'm sorry, 10%. It's only supposed to be at 6% increase. but it's actually up to 12.3, 12.5. Now I'm gonna move this pitch slider all the way max 10, and now it's giving me a 21. And I'm gonna move it straight to 0. And on this side, it's still a gradual slowdown back to 0, but it goes and it stays 0.1, which is acceptable. Now I believe it's the pitch slider, because if I put it on max 10, right, and it goes gradual up to 20 something, 20, 21, 24, 22, 21.3. But then if I hit quartz lock, it jumps to 0 very quickly. So once you take the pitch sliders out of the loop, out of activation, the turntable works perfectly and quartz lock 0. So so that's the problem with this one, the Vestax PDX2000 that I purchased on eBay. Everything else is nice. It's cosmetically and physically intact. Just seems to be issues with pitch adjustment. Thanks.